Hey all of you, myself Saqib Farhan and I'm here to present a PowerPoint presentation on my topic Blood Bank Management System under the guidance of Ms. Sonam Singh ma'am. The project Blood Bank Management System is a pilot project that is designed for blood bank to gather blood from various resources and give it to needy people who give high requirements for it. The software is designed to handle the daily transaction of blood bank and search detail when required. It also helps to register details of donor, blood connection details as well as blood issue detail. The software application is designed in such a manner that it can suit the need of the blood bank requirements in future. The problem statement: need of blood bank was realized when we had cases of urgency and appropriate donor was not found. It is important to find a software that can find the appropriate donor for the appropriate patient in need of blood. The real problem was to keep record of all the donors, their blood group, and save time so that life can be saved. The proposed solution was to create a software that can keep records, manage them, and give the needed data in time. The blood bank management system saves the hustle of paperwork and also saves time. It is authenticated by Aadhaar number, so no redundancy or fraud is possible. Now the benefits of the system is it provides the unique identification number at the time of blood donation camp, which helps him for the future correspondence. Donors can view the blood donation camp organizing at different places. As it is a web-based application, its index page encourages the donor to donate the blood. Donor can check the status of the particular blood group just on one click sitting at home. The modules: the front end is GUI, the back end is managing action calls, database data, storing donor and receiving receiver details. Methodology: making a front end, creating various tables, connecting front end and back end, updating candidates detail by the admin. Now the DFDs, the data flow diagrams. The context level DFD is user request to blood bank, then the blood bank checks storage from the database. Then database respond to the request to the blood bank and it responses to the user, and then the admin request at the same procedure goes on. This is the first context level DFD. Now comes the second data flow diagram, which is on admin level first DFD, which is admin logins into admin's dashboard, then admin adds and updates the informations and give it to hospital and clinics, banks, local center, which is further stored in a database. Now the second DFD, which is user level DFD. In this DFD, the user is of two types: registered user, guest user. Then after guest user is registered for further need, the guest user only has to access search and view gallery, while the registered users can log in easily and they can view profile, manage bookings, search, view gallery, give payments, and they all are stored in a database at last. Now here are some snapshots from the app. The first snapshot is of the login page, in which one person can register themselves as donor or buyer, and it contains of name and Aadhaar number, which you can see clearly. Now the second snapshot comes, which contains donor registration page, which contains photo of donor and his or her ID, name, age, Aadhaar number, current date, last date, gender, and blood group, as you can see here. Now the third comes the snapshot, which says the blood buying panel, which contains ID, name, number, Aadhaar number, amount, blood group to buy, and at last blood to donate, which you can see here also. Then comes the next panel, in which we keep the record of blood groups and their units. Different units like A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, and O negative units. Now the slide comes in which the registered donor's name come with all his or her details. Like when the donor is registered, then it is shown here with his Aadhaar number, it's his mobile number, his blood group and everything. Now the next image shows the registered buyer's name and all the information related to him or her, which shows name, number, Aadhaar number, blood group, blood donated and the amount. Now comes the last snapshot is the registration of an employee working with salary and other informations mentioned. His ID is mentioned, name is mentioned, status, salary, number and his gender. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.